Sir gave Jay Viru. IFA gave us Bowman Ritesh, Shahid Farhan, Arjun Ranveer, and this year we are taking the legacy ahead by announcing a jodi that's going to be ruling the hosting world. दो ऐसे नौजवान जिनमें से एक है हॉट एंड स्वाव तो दूसरा अपनी वर्सेटिलिटी से पार कर चुका है ऑडियंस की परीक्षा का पड़ाव. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the most unusual and ultra exciting host of IFA Rocks 2024, the multifaceted Siddhant Chaturvedi and versatile Abhishek Banerjee. Give it up for the awesome twosome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Siddhant and Abhishek, for coming here. Now, can we have the cool and spectacular invite for IFA 2024 on stage, which is already there. Now, I'd request you both, along with Mr. Puneet Gupta, to unbox the invitation for IFA 2024. As you can see, this invitation is such a stunning piece of art. Photo opportunities for our friends from the media as well. These look fabulous. एक बार फिर Puneet ji के लिए तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much, Puneet, for joining us on stage. Thank you, Puneet, for doing the honors. And Siddhant and Abhishek, please take back, because according to the rituals of IFA, we will be presenting these first invitations to our esteemed partners. So, gentlemen, are you ready? May I invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, to accept the IFA 2024 invitation. And of course, with Nobutaka-san joining us on stage as well. Nobutaka Suzuki-san is here as well. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion. Can I request both of you to come up on stage, please? Ladies and gentlemen, the first set of invites being given to our partners, please. It is epic, it's classic, and what an invite. Thank you, gentlemen. See you at Abu Dhabi as well. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Ashish Para, the Chief Sales Controller, Shobha Realty, to come on stage and accept the IFA 2024 invitation from the dapper hosts of IFA Rocks. तालियां हो जाए हमारे सारे पार्टनर्स के लिए कितना सपोर्ट दे रहे हैं for IFA 2024. Thank you, sir. And like we say, see you at Abu Dhabi. Thank you. दोस्तों, इस बार IFA Rocks के स्टेज पर solid हंगामा मचने वाला है. Give it up for the awesome twosome Siddhant and Abhishek as well. Well, Abhishek, what can I say? कहते हर सक्सेसफुल मर्द के पीछे एक स्त्री का हाथ होता है भाई, और आपके पीछे दो स्त्री का हाथ है, स्त्री 1 and स्त्री 2. How does it feel from जाना के कैरेक्टर से आबू धाबी IFA Rocks के लिए जाना?
सर, मुझे लगता है कि स्त्रियों के अलावा मेरे इस मुकाम के लिए एक और चीज़ जिसका कमाल है, और वो है मेरा नाम, क्योंकि मेरा नाम है अभिषेक. तो आई थिंक मेरा अबू धाबी में होना बनता है. और मेरे साथ वहाँ पे चतुर बातें करने के लिए चतुर्वेदी भी हैं, जो कि ज़्यादातर वेट लिफ्टिंग करेंगे, और मैं स्पिरिचुअल बातें करूँगा ताकि ऑडियंस को थोड़ा सा होलिस्टिक अप्रोच हम लोग रखें वहाँ पे.
जी सिद्धांत, IFA के स्टेज पर आप पिछली बार आए थे जब आपको मिला था बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर फॉर गली बॉय, और इस साल आप होस्ट करने वाले हैं. यू मस्ट बी फीलिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड माय फ्रेंड.
वैसे ये पहली बार है जब मैं IFA के स्टेज पे आ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जब वो बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर मिला था तब पैंडेमिक चल रहा था, तो जो अवार्ड है वो मेरे घर आ गया था. यूजुअली लोग IFA के लिए घर से बाहर जाते हैं, वो मेरे घर आ गया था. लेकिन जो फीलिंग है वो इतनी सॉलिड है यार, क्योंकि ना बचपन से मैंने मम्मी के साथ बैठ के टीवी पे आईफा देखा है और सोचा है कि यार कभी ना कभी तो वहाँ होऊंगा, और अब इस बार आराम से बैठ के मम्मी के साथ अपने आप को देखूंगा होस्ट करते हुए, वो भी आबू धाबी में। तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। और ऐसा है कि मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ही स्पिरिचुअल, मैं भी थोड़ा सा ऐसा है ना कि
कर
नहीं मैं करूँगा। तो ऐसा है ना कि अगर जो है ना सपने पूरे होते हैं, मतलब मैंने ना भगवान से थोड़ा मांगा था, बट लाइक आईफा ने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही सीरियसली ले लिया यार, सीधे सीधे पहली बार स्टेज पे होस्ट कर रहे हैं, वाह। और ऐसा है ना, एक मेरा मानना है, एक महापुरुष ने कहा है जिनको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ, कि अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है।
सही बात है। महापुरुष से याद आया, एक महापुरुष को यहाँ बुला लेते हैं। हाँ, ज़्यादा
बुला लीजिए।
बुला लें।
हाँ, बुला ले।
अच्छा, तो लेट्स कॉल ऑन स्टेज द मैन हिमसेल्फ, जो हर चैट शो को होस्ट करते हैं, जो हर मूवी में हैं, जो हर अवार्ड शो को भी होस्ट करते हैं। वेल, द लेजेंड हिमसेल्फ, द धर्मराज ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा, प्लीज वेलकम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन मिस्टर करण जौहर। सर, एक रिचुअल है कोई भी ऐसे बड़ा काम होता है तो एक रिचुअल है कि हम पैर छूते हैं, ठीक है? तो छू लेते हैं पैर, ठीक है?
छू लेते।
ये खुद आप अपने पैर छू रहे हो, ये क्यों?
वो क्या है ना सर, हम नई जनरेशन है ना, तो क्या है कि पहली बार आपके साथ स्टेज पे यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो ऐसी जो फीलिंग है ना, तो बहुत ही कमाल की है। तो ऐसा लगा कि यार खुद ही के पैर छू के खुद ही को आशीर्वाद दे देते हैं ना।
और कभी कभार वो छोटे छोटे शहरों से भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो जाती हैं सर, है ना? तो
देखिए, वे वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आप दोनों होस्ट कर रहे हो और मेरी सारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं, दोनों के साथ हैं।
Thank you,
एक होस्ट की तरफ से, यहाँ तो मैं निर्देशक निर्माता दोनों हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ इस मंच पे होस्ट हूँ, तो होस्ट होने के नाते मैं आप दोनों को बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स, दुआएं देना चाहता हूँ। आई होप यू आर गोना रियली रॉक इट एट IIFA Rocks and you all are both going to kill it and it's going to be fantastic. But we have a very important announcement to make right now, and if you give me the permission, I'd like to do that.
अरे सर,
प्लीज सर,
Can I do the honors? For that, I'll have to go there.
यस
Yes,
सर,
all
तो
right, okay.
हम
जाएं?
कट लें
अच्छा,
Okay.
सर? हम
जाने से पहले
If you don't
एक टिप तो दे
कुछ
दो।
तो कोई
मतलब
टिप,
क्या
होस्टिंग की
hosting
कोई
कैसे
अगर
करते
कोई
हैं,
टिप
मतलब
Tip
वगैरह।
होता
हाँ।
क्या है?
Tip
Stage
ये
पे
है
होता
कि
क्या
keep it short and know when to leave.
अच्छा,
Ah.
अच्छा, ओके,
यही है क्यों, यही है भाई, ये
Sorry,
बताया
thank you,
नहीं
sir.
था हमको।
All the best, boys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, IIFA is a legacy. IIFA is more than just an award platform. IIFA is a bona fide emotion. I remember the very first year that IIFA was held at the Millennium Dome, and I remember my father was such an integral part of the formation of IIFA, and I remember those were the good old days where we actually cared about seat arrangements, where who sat next to each other mattered, and my father was diligently at it with Andre, Sabas, and Viraf. Those emotions haven't left me. They're still very, very fresh in my memory bank, and being here is much more than just attending a ceremony, but it's actually an inclusive fraternity platform, and IIFA has always done that, brought our families together. And this year, much more than just bringing an industry together, it's bringing the entire Indian film industry together with IIFA Utsavam and IIFA coming together. This is a grand celebration of cinema all at once. And when we say grand and we say big and we say large, then we go the biggest. And so the gentleman I'm going to call on stage, it doesn't get bigger than him. It hasn't got, and he's the biggest part of my life, my career, and the biggest part of our cinema, the proudest part of our cinema. He is a legacy movie star, a bona fide legend, and not just an artist that has swept the world with emotion, action, drama, but he's also that man with a golden heart, and he matches the statue to every inch. Please welcome the bona fide king and the crown that should never leave, his persona, Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you very much, Karan, and thank you, Aifa, for having me here this evening. And thank you to all the friends and colleagues who are present here, all the partners, Shobha, Nexa, Mysore, Ease My Trip, Venky's, and ZTV, of course. And Rana, good evening. Lovely to see you here. Abhishek, so wonderful to see you live after seeing your wonderful film. I've been wanting to call you. And Siddhant, तुम दोनों को सिखा दूं. नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपने पाँव पड़ती है, पुरानी वाली इज्जत भी देती है, तो ऐसे करती है. But I want to thank Sabbas and Viraf and Andre, my very, very, I don't know if I should say old friends, but young old friends. And I'm so privileged to be hosting this show with Vicky and Karan and all the other amazing talent, some of them not present here this evening. And of course, to see the great performances that will follow. This Shahid, Vicky is going to perform, Janvi, Kriti, and of course, the most wonderful and the star of them all, Rekha ji will also be there. So for me, it's a great evening, it's a great honor, great privilege. Thank you for having me on IFA. Thank you so much, everyone.
Shahrukh, it's like a ghar wapsi of sorts. You're back on the IFA stage after nearly a decade, and they couldn't be happier and more excited about welcoming you back into the IFA family, because every time you've been there, you created a storm, literally, like you always have with your cinema. How does it feel to be back on the IFA stage?
इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हो, बुलाया तो एक ही बार था पहले. शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है. एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं. ऐसी तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, ऐसे लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ पे. But it's really nice to be here. Thank you, Aifa, for having me. No, I'm not. I'm joking. अब clarify करना पड़ता ना कि joke कर रहे हैं, seriously नहीं बोल रहे हैं. I would have loved to always come, but unfortunately, for some reason or the other, I was working at the point of time when IFA is being hosted all around the world, which makes us very, very proud. And more often than not, I've always had to beg myself off, saying, listen, मेरी shooting है, आप कहाँ पे, टोरंटो में हो, वैंकूवर में हो, मलेशिया में हो, यहाँ कर लो ना, या बोरीवली में कर लो, फिल्म सिटी में कर लो, जैसे बाकी लोग करते हैं यार. But the vision is big. IFA has always thought of taking Indian cinema, and now with the inclusion of Malayalam and Kannada and Tamil, Telugu and Hindi cinema, I think, mashallah, this is even more Indian than it has ever been before. So, keeping up with your vision, I am thankful now, after so many years, trying to come back. I hope we can present well, keep people entertained, and keep it very short.
Yes.
And crisp.
And know when to
and
leave.
fast, yeah. And please come for the rehearsals, Karan.
No. I've left that to you. I know this is a chat we should have in private, but please, can you take care of that?
Okay. So, Karan has told me he's not going to rehearse for hosting. He'll do it on Zoom. भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ. मैं तो इतना होस्टिंग करता हूँ ना. अभी ये बोल रहे थे ना ये सिद्धांत की, मैं तो ये क्या है, मैं चैट शो भी होस्ट करता है, फिल्म शो भी होस्ट करता है, ये बोलता है पिक्चरें भी तो बना मेरे भाई, तू कितना होस्ट करेगा.
यही मैं वही सोच रहा था जब सिद्धांत बोल रहा था. तो I was like, this is sounding wrong on all levels for a filmmaker. कि I should be making more movies. That is exactly what I should be doing. But
इसलिए तो rehearsal Zoom पे कर ले, बाकी picture shoot
आप संभाल लो. मैं sponsors की name ले लूँगा.
Thank you.
हाँ, please, I'll do that.
और हम कनन को बीच में नहीं आने देंगे, वो स्पॉन्सर्स को चुप करा देता है before they finish. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think we'll have to maybe look at that. All right. Listen, boys, you're on for a ride, and we're really excited that both of you are hosting IFA Rocks, and along with, of course, Vicky, all of us. Like, we're a community of hosts this time. But we also have an incredible host in the house with us who is actually going to be hosting IFA Utsavam, big integral part of South cinema. I know for me, the origin of my entry into that cinema came with Rana, and I will always be grateful because Bahubali happened because of Rana. Rana, please join us on stage.
We are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian, sir.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're trying to
wraps.
keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now
Yes.
we're actually on stage. We're actually on IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just, the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries, not just as an actor, but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And Aifa, thank you for putting all us together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam? Yes. Thank you. So I think that'll be
it's a deliverable.
It's a deliverable? Oh.
Yeah. We are coming. Clap louder, y'all asked us to.
Thank you, the 3 IFA partners, for making this happen.
Yeah.
I think this is really the first time, sir. All of you all are at the South Indian Utsavam.
Yeah,
Also
it
the
is.
first
Actually, it's
time, yes,
amazing. Like I said, it's quite fantastic. We're really excited about what's to come. And in fact, what a weekend. We start with IFA Utsavam, you have IFA Hindi, and then you have IFA Rocks. And then there's a lot of activities happening with all our talent. We have an incredible lineup, all very excited, and mainly because the main man is here. So thank you, Shahrukh, thank you, Rana, and we'll all leave now.
Thank you.
We'll call Siddharth Kannan back because he may ask us to leave anyways.
All right, so both of you leave, Karan and Rana. Shahrukh, I'd request you remain on stage, please. Give it up for Shah Rukh Khan. I can already hear Abu Dhabi saying, "We love you, Shah Rukh." They're screaming and shouting. So happy to see you. Louder for King Khan, please, ladies and gentlemen. I like it. This is an IFA like none other. It is the blockbuster IFA. Now, I invite the 3 wizards of Wizcraft to introduce something very, very special to the world with King Khan himself. May I invite Andre Timmons, Sabas Joseph, and Viraf Sarkari on stage, please. Please give it up for the 3 wizards. They're truly magical at what they do. We can make it louder for them. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're thrilled to introduce The Club by IFA, the ultimate app for fans of Indian cinema. Now, this exciting platform brings you closer to the stars you love, offering exclusive IFA content, behind-the-scenes moments, and a front-row seat to all the glitz and glamour of the Indian film industry. Now, whether it's following your favorite celebrities or watching special features from the IFA Awards, The Club by IFA is your all-access pass to the magical world of Indian cinema. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, to immerse yourself in an unforgettable cinematic experience. So here is the first look of the amazing The Club by IFA, the ultimate app for fans of Indian cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, job by IFA, wahan pe hogi. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a trend-setting app. It's going to be changing the game as well. And of course, with the Wiz Trio, Andre, Viraf, and Sabas, along with King Khan, to launch the app and make it live for the world as well.
The IFA app is an effort from our end to bring the fans of Indian cinema closer to their stars and to their cinema. Nothing more than that and nothing less than that. It'll take everyone closer to become one community, one family. Thank you.
I wish you all the best for this app, and every little step counts to take Indian cinema closer to the people who watch it, not around only in India, but around the world. So thank you very much. I'm sure this will be a very enjoyable experience, and we're all going to get the app downloaded and use it. Well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Viraf, Andre and Sabas, for coming on stage and launching the stellar app for the fans of Indian cinema. Shahrukh, I request you to remain on stage, please. And I request Andre, Sabas, and Viraf to take their seats as well. And I'd request Mr. Karan Johar to join Shahrukh on stage for the next presentation ceremony. Welcome back, Karan. And at IFA, we believe in strong partnerships. And we'd like to felicitate our strong supporters for making IFA the mammoth brand it is. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd first like to invite Mr. Partho-san and Nobutaka Suzuki-san on stage. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I request Shahrukh and Karan to honor next presenting partner of IFA Awards and co-presenting partner of IFA Weekend on stage on behalf of IFA. अरे तालियां बजा सकते हो दोस्तों. Epic moments back to back. Thank you so much to both our dignitaries. Thank you for all the support for IFA. Now I'd invite Mr. Ashish Parak, Chief Marketing Officer, Chief Sales Controller, Soba Realty, and Mr. Swapnil Bipin Lal, Senior General Manager Marketing on stage. We are thankful and we honor you for being the presenting partner for IFA Weekend and Rocks and co-presenting partner of IFA Awards. Shobha Realty, thank you so much for all the support. Now, ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, it is my honor to call on stage Miss Lakshmi Shetty, Chief Sales Strategy and Maximization Officer, Zee Hindi Movie Channels, to please come up on stage. I'd request Shahrukh and Karan to honor our broadcast partner on behalf of IFA. Lovely to have you with us, ma'am. Give it up for ma'am, please, ladies and gentlemen. दोस्तों, ये सब सेलिब्रेटरी मोमेंट से हमारे लोगों का हौसला अफजाई करिए. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now it's time to honor our investment platform partner, Mysore. I'd like to invite Mr. Praveen Sharma, Group CEO and partner, Mysore, and Mahima Sharma to please come up on stage. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Great to have you with us. Now, it's time to honor our travel partner, Ease My Trip. I invite Mr. Nishan Pitti, CEO and co-founder of Ease My Trip, to please come up on stage. और मैं अब चाहूंगा शाहरुख और करण हमारे सपोर्ट पार्टनर्स को I'd like to call on board Dr. Deepak Namjoshi, Director, Criticare Asia Group of Hospitals, to please come up on stage.
On the occasion of Criticare completing 25 years, they're providing 500 persons health checkups for the film industry workers through the IFA Foundation. So, prevention, precaution, discovery, early discovery is what they're campaigning for, so that is preferred compared to cure. Criticare hospitals will be conducting these health camps across the film studios, etc., over the next few weeks to be able to meet the target of not less than 500 people who would get the health checkups.
Thank you, Sabas. Well done, Team Criticare. Thank you so much for doing so much for the society as well. Now it's time to honor and felicitate our digital partner. I invite Mr. Pankaj Tripathi, co-founder, Vernos Marketing Technology Solutions, to please come up on stage. Thank you so much, sir, for being a formidable part of IFA 2024. Now it's time to honor and felicitate our official invitations partner. I'd invite Mr. Puneet Gupta, founder Puneet Gupta Invitations, to please come up on stage. Thank you, Puneet, sir. Now it's time to honor Mumbai Host Hotel. I invite Robert Dallimore, General Manager, Grand Hyatt Mumbai, to please come up on stage. Good evening, sir.
Please put your hands together to invite, to receive the commemorative plaque, Nawaf and Miriam from the Department of Culture and Tourism, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Please join us on stage.
Thank you, sir. Looking forward to IFA 2024 happening in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is our family, and we're so excited year after year coming to your beautiful country, your beautiful city. Thank you for always having the warmth and affection and being so hospitable to IFA. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Dr. Yogesh Lakhani, Chairman and Managing Director. Look at his fan following, ladies and gentlemen, of Bright Outdoor Media Limited. These kind of applauses superstars get, and Yogesh has got it himself. योगेश सर, आपकी पॉपुलैरिटी देख ली, धन्यवाद, बहुत अच्छा लगा. Shahrukh and Karan, please remain on stage. I'd request Rana, Siddhant Chaturvedi, and Abhishek Banerjee, please, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be the epic photo opportunity with the IFA trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, IFA 2024, bigger, grander, it's gonna be a blockbuster. Rana, Karan, Shahrukh, Siddhant, and Abhishek doing the honors. I request, sir, ये trophy रहनी है. एक और epic. Look, people are dying to take this trophy home. That's the respect and value of this trophy. Now I invite the three wizards of Wishcraft to come on stage and join everyone. Please give it up for Andre, Viraf, and Sabas. This is going to be another picture with that epic IFA 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं हूं सिद्धार्थ कनन. IFA has truly been creating new benchmarks year on year. And this year, there's a new beginning with IFA. Yes, doing its first ever IFA Utsavam. Get ready to experience the spectacular journey of Indian cinema like never before. I would like to thank Rajasthan Patrika Group, Red FM, PVR Inox, Bright Outdoor Media Partner Solution, ABP News, Art Media Ads Private Limited, ITV Network, India News, NewsX, Ronak Advertising, Z Media, IDPL, Namrata Advertising, Kushi Ambient Media Limited, Navbharat, OMN, Elevate Media. This is me, Siddharth Kanan, saying, see you in Abu Dhabi. Thank you, Shahrukh. Thank you, Rana. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Siddhant. Thank you, Abhishek. And ladies and gentlemen, see you in Abu Dhabi IFA